Alright, so for part 3 of the Vaya demos, we are going to go to Explore and Visualize. I was already there, so we're going to close it to see how we got to it. So we're going to go to All Reports, Courses, YVA 185, Basics, Demos, Marketing, and then VA1 Demo 2.1. So from here we have page tabs. This is the canvas, the left panel, and the right panel. And then we are going to make sure that our automatic titles are on. So up in this username, settings, general, but Vaya or Visual Analytics general, and scrolling down, graphs, automatic title. Here we can also do a custom title or no title, but we're going to do automatic. And then here's questions, but we know what that means, so we're going to exit out of that. So we are going to go to the left panel and click data. Oh, this screencast thing is in my way. Data. And this gives all the categories in our group. So postal code, order type, state name, all that fun stuff. And then, so those are our categories. And if we minimize that, we have measures. So we can measure by cost, customer ID, discount, employee ID, frequency, and the list goes on. Then we can see objects. We're going to move the screencast thing again. Objects, so we can do all of these types, but we're going to do a list table and drag it to our canvas. So for the column roles, assign data, columns, add, we are going to select all data items except frequency and frequency percent. So these are the two that we're not going to click. So all but those two. There must be an easier way to do this, but I'm not really sure how to. Oh, we can't click on this. My mouse is being funny. We're going to use the mouse pad. Oh, I'm getting a call. We're going to hit OK. Oh, I could have held down Shift. That's how you do that. So these are all of our columns. We're loading. My Wi-Fi has been very slow today. Here they are. So this is going to be able to view our data. So we have employee IDs, the discount and percent. So there's not a whole lot of data for the discounts. Customer ID, cost, state name, postal code, name of street, all that we saw before. So then in the top left corner, we're going to click the plus to add a new page. Use a crosstab to view distinct values for order type. So tables, crosstab, drag to the canvas. Assign data, columns, order type.